As the saying goes, it's better to give than receive. And this was the consensus felt by individuals volunteering their time during the annual Day of Caring. The week-long program saw numerous local businesses and other volunteers rolling up their sleeves for a good cause. The week launched with a volunteer information session at the Pioneer Co-op as the teams received their assignments for the week. A project which the United Way says creates community spirit while raising awareness of its member agencies.
For me, this is one of my more favorite events because it's an easy way to bring awareness. It's having an impact, but it's not taking, 8 months to plan.
Each of the teams worked on a variety of projects for 6 United Way member agencies, from car detailing to yard work, a task which these volunteers were pleased to be a part of.
For us, we just believe in giving back to the community, and this is one way where it's not just about, handing over a check or something like that. It's when we actually go out and help some clients that need help in the community and help make their life easier and better, and it's a really small something that we can do.
Well, I just think it's critical for us to be mindful of the groups that are in town. We're a busy firm. We touch a lot of people. I just want to make sure that we're giving back to the community and we're supporting the people that support our business.
And those on the receiving end were grateful to have a few helping hands, assisting with day-to-day routines.
They're cutting out about 5 inches, a 5-inch stack of paper for us, so different shapes of crafts for the kids. And it saves Natasha and I a ton of time. It seems like just a little thing to come out and help us do, but it makes such a difference in our programming.
Southwest Homes operates 7 group homes in the city. And by having the volunteers prep the backyards at each of the 7 homes for the summer season means a world of difference to the staff and the clients.
So important that people can go outside and be on their own if they want to be. So our yards are completely fenced in, so they're safe places for people to go. And we have a few people from this house who spend almost the entire summer outside. They don't come in unless they have to. But it can be dark and they're still outside. We try and have fire pits, and we might not be able to go camping, but people can pitch their tents in the backyard and feel like they're camping all on their own out at night. So it's incredibly important to them.
The Day of Caring is a national initiative for the United Way, with the Swift Current project spanning 5 days and spotlighting 12 member agencies.